Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how easy with 4D laser level find a high spot on your subfloor. So this 4D laser level has a bottom laser transmitter which is from the ground floor only 5/16, almost quarter. Just put your laser level any places on your floor. If you will see like this green spot, it means this highest spot on your floor. So just we have a look around. Some spots is more than quarter, you see. Here it is, one more, and another side. So many green spots. So we can take this laser level and put on some spots which is not so far. Okay, and then have a look one more time. If you will find another green spot like here, we can move laser level to this spot, and after when we move this laser level and we have a look around, if we can't find any other green spot, it means this is the highest spot in your room. So why we looking for a high spot? Because from this high spot we can level floor. So and I'll show you quick how to do leveling with this 4D laser level, how to set up tripods, which I use always. So here it is. Here is another high spot. When I put laser, it showed this is the point which is need to grind out. So anyway, tripods. So I put just tripods. I found the spot from which one is the highest, which I have to level it, and then I just set up bottom plate of tripods exactly. It should be matched with that laser line. Then when I set up all tripods, I am ready to do leveling. You see here is a very bad subfloor, many cracks. Here is a very high spot too, which is I wanna leave it and grind it down after leveling. So you see here is the tripods and some corner which is completely uneven, and when I am just slightly pure self-leveling compound, I'm trying to match it this compound with bottom plates, and voila, how it's work, very easy. I hope this video was helpful, and you can find links on these tools in description for this video. See you on next project.